Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are discussing how to create React project. What is the difference between React DOM, Babel and React library? So how to import manually using the tag. So let's see. So welcome to Java Full Stack class. I'm Vikas Shela. So I'm a Java Full Stack developer. We are discussing difference between React, React DOM and Babel library in React.js using manual way. Okay, so first thing we are discussing how to create React project, how to import the library. So I'm going to the my folder and type cmd and type code. Visual Studio Code, it will be directly open. Okay, so after then I close it. Visual Studio Code will be open. So firstly we have to know how to execute a React program. Before we started and created the HTML page, CSS page. Okay, here see, this is a script that we are discussing. See, first .html page, and here we are using div. Div is the id is the root is the container. So we are using this container. Firstly we need to create the container, then we inside the script tag we add, here we create one app component function app component, and here we are using h1 and hello. I am calling that element. Okay, and where root document.query selector, then hash root is the container, it refers to the root container, then root dot inner html equal to contain. Okay, and script tag. So now I am executing this program. Firstly I am showing you what is the exactly error inside your project. Okay, so page will be automatically redirect to the Visual Studio Code, and here it will be render. Okay, so see, okay, see, page automatically render. We can inspect the page. Your console window, see, two error, uncaught syntax error, load resource server response not found. Okay, and 7 warning you can see, and 9 message inside that, syntax error. Okay, syntax error and caught error. Okay, so where is the syntax error? Where is the syntax error? Okay, some, see, server is not responded, status score 4 not 4, and expected token was .html, 7 number, return h1 hello, h1. Okay, I'm creating this component, calling, right? And here I'm returning linear.html and content. So here I have content. I will write one content. See, before uh, where content is equal to Java full stack. Okay, Java full stack class. Okay, so firstly we use content, and this content will be refer the content text, right? And I'm executing the program, right? See, okay, no any error, right? Content. So I'm putting the HTML, not HTML tag, content text. Okay, see, so leave it before, we can discuss later. Okay, now we are executing the program. See, okay, Java full stack class h1 contain Java full stack class. We are h1 okay, this slide, so it will be not showing, right? So remove it. So that type of the program we are executing, and now we are executing and we see now this program is executed, right? See, loaded the program, passes the program, and I am going to the source file. Source file, it will be open only first.html and react.html, react.development.js. See, when you're creating your React application, we need to use React development.js file, React.js file. So we go to the CDN link, React.js. Click on there, CDN link, and okay, see, this is the DOM development. This is the React development.js. Okay, now copy the link, type here, paste, Control S. Where is we need to paste? Paste Java full stack class. Then our folder is React, and we can type React. Okay, the React. Okay, then okay, let me save. Okay, then third one we need to create. I will save this file, react.js file. Then also we need to use Babel. Okay, so let's see the example. So, okay, so babel.js, Babel India CDN link. Okay, okay, then we copy the link, paste here, save this. Okay, then Babel here. Okay, babel.js. So first thing, I am going to the code here. Here, see, we need to all script, because this is the JavaScript, right? So JavaScript code, it will be import inside the, okay, inside the script tab. No? Script tab. Okay, inside the script tab, src is equal to what is the capital react.js file. Okay, then now we are putting the babel. So we put babel. Okay, babel.js. You need to put the babel, and so container will be open, and here we need to type, specify here text slash babel. Okay, text slash babel. We need to create one. Now we ignored it, and we need to create function. Function is whatever your function is app. Okay, app is a function. So class name, so we can create function app is a function component, so it will be start from the capital letter. Okay, and here we use return keyword, and here h1 java tag class. Okay, java stack class h1. Then this app we need to, because we are using document.query selector before, we are using here, we need to use react DOM, and we use create root. Okay, create root, and we need to import inside that document dot get element by id inside that root. Okay, once you type here, we need to use here, remove this one, we use root dot render method of your component. So we need to call in this app inside the tag, because this tag component need to tag. Okay, now we are using, and right click on it. Now we are executing and remove this one remove, and I will check on it. This is render. Okay, error, right? So see what error we can find. React DOM is not function defined. React DOM is not defined. Okay, so this type of the React DOM is not defined. We have React development.js here, React DOM.js we don't have, right? Okay, now this remove the inside, and this also remove. We can React DOM. Okay, program. Okay, Babel. Okay, then we need to use React DOM library CDN link. Okay, go to the CDN link, React DOM. Okay, here I can use copy that link you can paste here and save. Let's save because I remove the library and I import DOM DOM.js file. Okay, we need to import same thing. DOM.js and so okay, then I will cancel the save. Okay, see now every see inline Babel script, Babel, React React, then React DOM, all file will be rendering and output will be right. Here so many warnings inside the element, right? See h1 and going the I am putting this React DOM cut above the page. Okay, see now I'm executing the page. I'm executing the page. Now see the error, two error inside that. Cannot read property undefined reading screen and type React DOM is not a function. So it cannot understand, but first cannot understand the React library where it is. So React library we should have first one, then React DOM will be second, then Babel we can put anywhere, but React library should be first line. Okay, that is very important. We can import the React.js library first level. Okay, then I'm remove this text. I'm remove this text. Okay, see function app return Java full stack class, all entire the function returning the thing. So now why we this type of the write the code. So we see now. Okay, no any right? No any data, right? So I'm unexpected token first level we didn't understand, right? But we should here type text hyphen slash Babel. Babel is the library, so understand inside the HTML and JavaScript code. Okay, HTML and JavaScript code. So this is the element tag code and this is the React code. Okay, so needs understand Babel, understand the compile time, the code, but writing the code inside that. So because when we creating the HTML tag, here HTML tag when you creating only just creating this one, not creating that way component. Okay, so we can every step we can follow. Okay, now I am comment this one code React DOM. Okay, see now see React DOM is not function. So React DOM is a very important. So understand all document object model, the root, the container, it will be understand all things. react on, we create the container, create the root, understand the container, fetch the data by the root. Root is a container. So I'm not writing here container. I'm not writing here container. See, uncaught error. Create root target container is not a DOM element. Container root is not a DOM element. So this type of the question we need to understand. Now I am typing here root 1, but root 1, and here I'm writing root. Okay, now I'm executing the program. Okay, so target container is not a DOM element. Target container is not a DOM element. This type of the question. Now I'm putting the this one apps, because here is the component is the app. Now see, app is the not a function. Okay, app is not a function. Okay, so this type of the question answer we can render the data, we can write the program. Okay, okay, so first we understand all things, then yeah, I have one component, right? Then I'm writing the code h1 Java full stack class. Okay, then I'm to writing the code Java full stack. So it will not work, right? It will not work. This type of question, it will, because h1 and h1 we can writing the tag, and it not work, right? So I'm putting the div tag, okay, div tag. Inside the div tag, see, div tag is a block level element, so I'm putting the same, putting the div here, and see, not giving any data, right? Not giving any data, right? Now check. Okay, then I'm putting the this way. Okay, div1 and remove this one line. Okay, this div and this div. Okay, then I'm putting okay, then I'm putting another div1. Okay, inside h1 this time. See, it will not work, right? It will not work. Okay, see, inside the app component it will not work. So this of the question that you will ask, how to rendering the data, how to use it. Okay, and here I'm creating inside the div, I'm creating one div, and here creating the one div, right? Okay, and putting this div1, putting this, see, and executing this one, see, and see. Java full stack class, Java full stack class, and also I'm using same type of the code data, same type of the code data. Okay, so see, data will be duplicate. Data is duplicate, and code will be lot of boilerplate code is increases. Okay, h1 div tag Java full stack class. So now, so why are we not use one? We can create one component and use the same type of the line. So now I am using one function. Function home. Okay. Then inside I use this line. Inside function return this line. Okay. Function return this line, and I'm passing this home component here. Just I'm passing here, 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 passing same component here, and I'm checking the answer. See, right. So see, same type of the code. I'm writing one component and I'm using the component. So Java full stack class I'm using. Okay, then I want to create box level. I want to create square box. Okay, so how to create square box, how to use it inside the div, because here I'm using this home, I'm using this one, lot of things. So I need to use style tag. So because this is single page, so that's why we use style. Okay, inside the style we put width, height, we put width. Okay, with 100 pixel, then height, border, 1 pixel, solid red. And then we use display inline block. So now this here is string, right? So I put one ID name, right? ID name is box. Okay, I put that ID, and inside that ID I will pass the same to the ID is equal to box. Okay, ID is equal to box. Put here I will check. See, now I am remove this content photo. We will discuss later. H1 tag also will be removed. Okay. Just I am rendering the data. Check it. See, see, this is the tag we are using, right? So this type of the question we can create it. Width, height, border, inline display, inline block. Why we use inline block? Because so I put block level, yeah, inline. It will not use square. It will not create square. Okay. So text Babel root is a see, now this square not looking good, right? So I want to use this text. I will put one div here. Inside the div I will use div, right? See, is the answer. See, put it here, same. Okay. Now here home, right? To home I put one div, another div, close inside the here div. Then because div will be create new line, right? Div create new line, right? You know block level element we had discussed, right? So it will be div will be creating the new line. So every two box will be box model will be created, right? Box will be created. Okay. Every box we can give any number first, second, okay, third, fourth. Now why we do this? Okay, see, so we need to use where now I'm putting here, right? One. Okay, see, one is the inside. Okay, one is the inside. Okay, so this type of the alignment we need to use. Okay, so please look at this, practice on it. This is the box we have created, all things we discuss entire the process of that. So please practice on it. Thank you watching this video. We will move next level discussion. Thank you.